Hi, welcome to the part 5 of JavaScript objects. And so far, we have initially created a website and we are doing individual activities. For example, light mode, dark mode, right? Bulb on, bulb off, light mode, dark mode, and validating the functions, entering the first name, last name, right? So all these content we have completed till form validation. So we are still having three more activities to be completed. So here what we are going to do is, so far what we have done is with on click, off click option, right? And submit button option. So now what we are going to do is we are going to use the mouse pointer options, right? So just by taking the mouse pointers, uh, what changes can be made, right? So for example, when we are taking the mouse pointer to the particular this purple section, the color should change or the content should change. Shall we try that? Yeah. Okay. So we will have a function called as print text. See, these are initial uh, functions which I have already created, right, and implemented, right. So I'm using the same function name. I'm not using any other functions, right. So I'm using the same function to just to make sure that it doesn't overlap. Okay. So print text. I'm starting my function, and so my first text will be document dot get element by id. Okay, and l text quotes inner html. Okay, which is equal to uh, text printed on loading. Okay, this will be the default one, right? And function uppercase document dot get element by id. So you are having my f name value equals document dot get element by id name value to uppercase, right? So I'm copying the same content again. So first I'm changing the mode of data in which I'm receiving, whether it is even lowercase or uppercase. I'm converting both to uppercase itself. So here I'm converting f name to l name. Here also f name to l name, right? So remaining all contents are same. Yes, as this is now done, I'm going for the next function. Function mover of object. So here what I'm going to do is object dot inner HTML equals you have the pointer on me, right? And the object style. So let's check whether this is working or not first. Yes, superb. See, can you see the difference? You have the pointer on me, right? Refresh the page again, welcome, and you have the pointer on me. It has changed again, right? So this is good. And object style dot background color equals red. So whenever I am taking this pointer over here, the colors of the particular segment changes and the content also changes. Got it? Yes. So this is one segment. Okay. So now we have given like whenever the mouse goes into that particular position, what is happening? So when we are taking out the mouse, it is not changing back the color, right? Right. So we can give that also. Like for example, so now when I'm taking the mouse pointer, let me show. Taking the mouse pointer over here, the color changes. So, but when I'm coming out of the segment, the color is not getting back to normal. So now what can we do for that is uh, function mouse out, M out of the object. Okay. So here object dot inner HTML equals, I'm giving a command now. So any instruction, you have moved out from the segment. Done. Right? So it should, when we are going to that particular position, the color should change. When I'm bringing back, it should come out. The color should change as well as the function should move out, right? So you have the pointer on me is alone is visible right now. So now what I'm going to do is object style dot background color is equal to dark gray. Okay. Okay. So what is happening? It is not changing. Spelling mistakes object dot HTML. Okay, I have found out the error. So I am using the function name as m out here, right? So this function name should be as similar as I have given in the initial statements, right? So check this style. So here I have given the command mover. So this is one function I have used, and see the next function I have used. This is the round one. So m out is my function. I have given it as mouse, so that's the error. So now if I check, I should get the output. Yes, perfect. So welcome to DOM. I'm taking my cursor inside without any clicking part. You have the pointer on me. When I'm taking it out, you have moved out from the segment. Got it? Yes. So this is the move in, move out, mouse in, mouse out, right? That segment, and it's working perfectly. So based upon the colors. Okay, when nothing is there, I'm just giving, refreshing the page, red, purple, and gray. Got it? Yes. So this is the command where we are trying the mouse in and mouse out process, right? And we still have two more functions available. So the last two functions will be seen in the next last video of this video tutorial, right? And the thing is, we still have one smiley function and red, green, blue function. So the smiley function will indicate whenever you're taking the mouse pointer, it will increase the size and pixel. Whenever you're moving out, it will decrease the size and pixel. So when we are clicking red, green, and blue, there will be a statement displayed in that particular color. So that will be the last video of this video lectures. Okay. So we will wind off this video right now and see you in the last video. Thank you.